find properties as unique and well presented as 193 House Road in Farnborough. Situated on an acre of lifestyle land with spectacular sea views, the 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom Greg Dean home really is one to inspect. Let's head on in and have a look. I'm absolutely the first to admit that I love a galley-style kitchen with waterfall stone bench tops and 5-burner gas cooking, but that is not my favourite thing about this home. I absolutely love the functional floor plan with the kitchen dining lounge flowing effortlessly out to this massive wraparound sea view deck. What better way to cool off after a hard day's work than in the privacy of your own backyard in the stunning in-ground swimming pool. This really does make for the perfect entertaining area all year round with your built-in Bali hut and pergola. If the stunning lifestyle land, impressive sea views and well-appointed home weren't enough, here we have a massive, high-clearance, powered 4-bay shed to tick all the boxes. If you would like to arrange your private inspection or have any questions about this stunning home, please don't hesitate to contact Adam Cook or myself. We'd love to show you through.